house assets. We are collecting wood from the front pasture. It's been buried for months and months and months. I had a mow yesterday and we're just about to pull it out. Okay. Take it away. There we go. That's free. On to the next one. Back when we were cutting things up with the chainsaw, and we were trying to get planks out of it with a chainsaw, which was by far nowhere near as fast as the mill. But these are our log stabilizers, so you get a flat surface on them because they get rolling away. Stunning. Anyway, they worked, they did their job. East Tennessee millipede. Not sure what variety. test number 1 successful. It handled quite a lot of weight, so we know the A-frame's okay. We probably do with being bolted together rather than screwed for an application like this, but it's pretty good. Right, I'm going to unclip that one, take our eyelet out that's holding it in the wood. We're going to drag out a slightly longer one that's further down the hill and embedded in the ground. See how that one goes. The A-frame on a bit of wood that's actually wedged in the river and on the bank, and we're going to lift it and pull it out, hopefully, fingers crossed. Right, go on then. This is our hook. It is probably about 1/2 inch thick metal. It's really nice, fits into a good hole. You can do it up by hand, undo it by hand, so you don't have to take an extra tool into the forest while you're sorting this stuff out. This is case hardened plasticine. We do not like this. If you're going to make something to hang some heavy stuff off of, please harden the metal, people.